Okay, so in the last lecture I gave you an overview and a tip of the iceberg foretaste of the goodness I have in store for you. But before we get into the meat and potatoes of this course, I need to quickly address a few questions you might have. Alright, so let's just get right down to it. The first question you might have is this. Will this course help me pass? Now, pass what? It's a good question. By pass, I mean the OSCP certification, or the Certified Ethical Hacker, the Security Plus, the SANS G Pen, or GX Pen. You know, will this course help me pass X? And this is a kind of a nuanced answer is what I can give, because on the one hand, you know, there's a lot of material in this course that can prepare you to pass a cybersecurity exam, right? On the other hand, I didn't design this course to help you pass a specific exam. Yes, there is a great deal of overlap between the content being taught here and the content inside of a cybersecurity certification course. But you shouldn't treat the material in this course as a replacement for the OSCP or a replacement for the Security Plus or anything like that. Just think of it like a supplement, something that's going to help make your transition into a specific exam frictionless, right? We're just trying to move you from one place to the next. We're trying to move you from a place of zero to little knowledge over to a place with a pretty good understanding of the cybersecurity concepts here. So we're making that jump. Now, the second question you might have, which I think is equally as relevant, is will this course help me land a job in cybersecurity, right? And the answer to that is also yes and no, right? Because there's a couple different things you need to have in mind. Let me clear the screen off and kind of explain why I'm giving you a yes-no answer to this. So let's go up here. Whenever you're, interviewing, you're about to interview, there's more than just technical acumen, right? Technical acumen isn't the sole hiring criterion by an organization or a company or a firm, right? There's other skills that you need in order to secure that job. You need confidence, or at least a perception of confidence. You need to know how to compose yourself. That's in person when they meet you, and also on paper when they read your resume. So the resume, how to write a kick-ass resume, how to create a kick-ass, LinkedIn page, because everybody's going to look there. LinkedIn profile. Need to know, how to market yourself, how to answer the question, tell me about yourself, right? Of course, you just don't want to dig into talking about yourself. You want to talk about where you want to go and why you care specifically about this particular company. Then you want to sort of tell the narrative of your history and how you got here. And there's a whole process to it, but this isn't a course on interviews. But as you can see, there are several things you need to have in place. You need to know how to, negotiate your salary. One other thing that I strongly recommend is that you have a certification already. So you have your OSCP, you have your Security Plus, you have a CEH before you interview. Why? Because this will help your resume get more attention, right? It will increase your chances of landing a high-paying job in cyber. So those are the things I just wanted to sort of get off the table. And in the next lecture, I'm going to walk you through the GitHub resource that accompanies this course. It's a page that includes a bevy of resources which will help you not only excel in this course, but it will actually help you well into your career and beyond. Okay, so I just want to walk you through and step you through this GitHub page so you can get everything you need to excel as a cybersecurity professional. All right, so I will see you in the next lecture.